Hello my dear students, I welcome you all to the math class. So you all know that in our very last week we have started chapter 5 lines and angle, right? So on that video we have learned about various definition of the angles, right? Starting with the complementary angle, supplementary angle, adjacent angle, linear pair of angle, vertically opposite angle. So this definition I won't be going through now. I have given the link in the description. If you have not watched that video, kindly go through it. Alright. So another important thing also I have told you all to remember, that is number one, intersecting lines, transversally lines, angles made by transversal line, transversal of parallel lines, and checking of parallel lines. So this all points I have given you all through the written notes. So go through that properly. Okay. So student, taking the help of this all point, today we are going to start exercise 5.1. Alright, so we will start with the first question, that is question number 1. Let us start solving the exercise. Okay, so student, here we have the first question from exercise 5.1. The question states that find the complement of each of the following angles. So you have to find the complement of this angle given in the figure. Alright, so you all know that complementary angle is the sum of the pair of angle is, that is, two angle when you add you will get the result is 90 degree. Okay, so one angle you know that it is 20 degree, and another angle you don't know what is that. Let the another angle be x. So student, what we need to do here is let the to have a complementary, you know that it is 90 degree. This is known to you. Yes, and in the question it is given that your angle is 20 degree. What should be the another angle which will make a 90 degree? So what we are going to do here is let the measurement of complement, let the measurement of complement be x degree. We don't know what is the another angle, right? So I have taken it as a x degree. Alright, so according to our knowledge of complementary angle, the sum of the two pair of angle is 90 degree, isn't it? X degree plus x, but one angle is known, so that's why we are going to write this as 20 degree plus x degree is equal to 90 degree. Alright, so what will this make? 90 degree minus 20 degree is x degree is your 70 degree. So other pair of angle is 70 degree. Alright, so your other complement angle is 70 degree. Just write this. Okay, so the complement of the given angle is 70 degree. Similarly you will find for this also. So you can do you can directly do this also. In what manner I have done, you can do in such a manner also, like one angle is known, that is 63 degrees. So you can write here 63 plus x is equal to 90 degree, because the other angle is we don't know, so I'm doing this number 2. Okay, so the other thing you have to write this one, let the measurement of the complement be x degree, then x plus x is equal to 90. One x is known, that is one angle is known, 63 degree. So x is equal to 90 minus 63. Okay, so 90 minus 63 will make what? 27 degree. Yes, absolutely. So your other angle is 27 degree. So that if you plus this 63 plus 27, it will make 90 degree. That is your complementary angle or complement to this angle. Okay, so next, similarly you will solve this yourself. Number 3, what will be the complement of this 57? 90 minus 57, whatever is the result, that will be your answer. Okay, student. Similarly, proceeding forward to question number 2, we have find the supplement of each of the following angle. So in this one, supplementary angle also I have discussed about supplementary angle to you people, right? So the sum of two angle in case of supplementary angle is 180 degree. So one angle is known, that is 105 degree. Let us write 105 degree here. Then plus another angle we have to find, so it is 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 minus this will come here, so it will make 105 degree. 180 degree minus 105 degree will be result in 75 degree. So your answer is the supplement of this angle 105 is your 75, which will make, if you add this, it will make 180 degree. Alright, so student, that's why I have told you people to have a knowledge, better knowledge of supplementary angle, to have a knowledge of a complementary angle. So in first we have solved about the complementary angle, and in number 2 we are solving supplementary angle. So we are finding the supplement of this angle. The supplement of 105 is 75. When you add this, you'll be getting 180 degree, which is actually a supplementary angle. Alright, similarly, what is the supplement of 87? So x plus x is equal to 180 degree. One x is known, one angle is known, that is 87 degree, right? So plus x we don't know, we have to find that. So 87 will come here and it will make 180 minus 87. The result is, the answer is 93 degree, isn't it? So your supplement of 87 is 93, which will be resulting in 180 degree. Okay, so that will make a supplementary angle, and also you are going to get the supplement of 87 degree. Student, number 3 you are going to solve it yourself. This is your home assignment. Alright student, moving on to question number 3. Identify which of the following pairs of angle are complementary and which are supplementary. Now here you have to identify which is complementary angle and which is supplementary angle. So you already know that complementary will be resulting in the sum of the pair of angle is 90 degree and the supplementary will be 180 degree. So I am using the symbol C and S, C for complementary angle and S for supplementary angle. Okay, so what will be this resulting? So whenever you add this, 115 plus 65 will be resulted in 10, 6 plus 1, 7, 8 and 1. 180 degree is supplementary angle. So write it down here as S, supplementary angle. Okay, S will be supplementary angle. So you can write full also, supplementary angle. I hope you have understood why supplementary, because when you add this, when you do the sum of this, that is plus, then you will be resulted you'll get as a result of 180 degree. Alright, so when you add this, number 2, 63 plus 23 is 10, 1, 6, 8, 9. So it is 90 degree. Yes, 90 degree is complementary angle. So it is complementary angle. Alright, similarly 112, so it is bigger than 90, so you can directly imagine that yes, it should be supplementary angle. So 8 plus 2 is 10, 1 in hand, 1 on 2, 2 plus 6 is 8 and it is 180 degrees. So it is S, it is supplementary angle. Alright, so I hope you are not having any problem in any of the condition, because the things are very clear, and all the things, only the things you have to remember is the definition as well as the concept. Supplementary is simply whenever you are adding two pair of angle, this is one angle and one angle, this is a pair of angle. When you add this number, you will be getting 90 degree, that is your complementary. So when another pair of angle is there, which when added will make 180 degree, that is your supplementary angle. Okay, when you add this, you will get 180, which is supplementary angle. When you add this, 45 plus 45 is 90 degrees, so it is complementary angle. So number 6, you will try it yourself and tell me what type of angle it is. Alright, so student, moving on to the question number 4, we have find the angles which is equal to its complement. So you have to find the angles, two angles that will be resulted in your complementary angle. So you know that in complementary angle, the sum of the two pair of angle is 90 degrees. So what we are going to write, let the measure of the required angle be x degree. Okay, so we know sum of measures of complementary angle pair is when the angle are in pair, they are forming 90 degree, isn't it? So that makes your complementary angle. So then we can write x pair of angle, no? So x plus x is your 90 degree. So x plus x means 2x. Here not a single angle is given, so we don't know what pair of angle is there. Okay, so both are x degree, so 2x, x is equal to 90 by 2, because this 2 came here. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 45s is 90 degrees, so x is equal to 45 degree. So hence the required, so you will write hence the required angle measures is 45 degree. Easy, no? Just have to remember what is complementary angle, and nothing is given over here, so both the pair of angle is x, we don't know, no? So that's why both the pair of, in previous sums the one angle was given, in a pair one angle was given, so that we were able to find the other form of angle. But here not a single measure is given, so we have let both the measure be x. Now x plus x, you know that 2x. So this type of sum you have done in your simple equation, you have done this in a fractional, whenever we did in fraction and decimal. So this is very easy for you, must be easy for you. So 2x is equal to 90 degree, x is equal to, you have to find the x value here, that is your 45 degree. So we can write hence the required angle measure is 45 degree. Okay, so student, here we have similar type of question, that is question number 5. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. So supplement, you know that the sum of the pair of angle is 180 degree, isn't it? So what we have to do, we don't know here also, in case of the supplement also, here we don't know the measure of the angle, so we have to let the measure be, just write this one, let the measure of the required angle be x degree. Alright, so we don't know one angle also, so we have to find that. Okay, so now this one we are going to write here. We know that in supplementary angle the sum of the pair of angle is 180 degree, so you write that also, it will be better. So we know that sum of measures of supplementary angle in pair, right, in pair, no, is 180 degree. So then what we can write then, x plus x is equal to 180 degree, so x plus x is 2x, will be 180 degree, right? So x is equal to 180 by 2 will be resulting 90 degree. So 2 ones are 2, 2 90s are, so that's why I have written here 90. So what we can write here, hence the required angle is, right, measure is 90 degree. So when you add this both pair of 90 degree, when you make a pair of 90 degree, it will be resulting in 180 degree, which is a supplementary angle. Alright student, so for today's class we will keep here. In our next class we will proceed further of exercise 5.1. Alright, so students, see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy, and do not forget to practice. Alright, thank you everyone.